Okay, good morning. This is Sean with Clearly Windows. We're here in Gig Harbor, Washington, working on a large project that's just getting underway. It's Monday morning, and we've got noise in the background because we've got a couple of pressure washers going. We've got people doing some pre-cleaning. We've got sidewalks, just flat concrete sidewalks that are going to be cleaned. And so I'll get some more video here, but we've got a large project and we're just getting underway. How exciting. So we'll see you in a few minutes and I'll get some more video. All right. Get Leo here. He's got a surface cleaner. That's the efficient way to do the pressure washing. Then you don't miss any spots. We've got Kim down here doing a little bit of pre-cleaning of the pavers. All these pavers are going to get soft wash. And then we're going to, then we'll rinse the moss off and stuff like that and get everything cleaned up. Got Andre and Dylan here. They're doing some curbing. Got all this curbing. Maybe you can see the water down in the very distance. We've got one entire city block that we're going to be doing this concrete on. And this block doesn't go all the way down to the water, but it goes down a long ways. We'll do all this sidewalk. All right. So now Dylan's over here helping Andre get cleaned up, blowing the stuff out of the way. Cleaning up, looking good. Okay, we are so close to finishing this project that we started on Monday. Here it is Friday, and we've been working all week cleaning sidewalks and curbing across the street, and we're almost done. We've got driveways all cleaned. We've got a little bit more work to do on these driveways over here. We've got to fill in between the pavers, and we're going to get that, but I just wanted to finish our video today. So yeah, this is looking really good. I just had a conversation with Sean, the president of the Homeowners Association, and he's really super happy. So it's been a good week.